Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to call someone directly from Gmail in the 2025 interface. It's actually really simple once you know where everything is. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, first things first, make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. Just use your usual email and password. Pretty standard stuff. Once you're inside Gmail, look at the left sidebar. You should see Google Chat and Google Meet. If you don't see them, maybe your sidebar is collapsed, so just expand it. To make calls, Gmail uses the Google Meet calling feature, so click on the Meet tab and make sure the New Call button shows up. If you're not seeing it, you might need to switch to the updated interface. Now, you can call people in two ways. You can type their name or email into the search bar, or you can select someone from your recent contacts. Gmail will show anyone who's connected to your Google account. When the profile pops up, click on Call. A small Meet window usually opens at the bottom right. You can mute, unmute, turn your camera off, or keep it audio only if you want. By the way, if you want to make calling even quicker, you can open Google Contacts separately and start a call from there. It works with Gmail automatically, so everything stays synced. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to start calling from Gmail in 2025. Super simple once you get used to the new layout. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming guides.